Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher, a 2016 game that isn't all that popular, but you know, even if it's not popular, it doesn't mean it's not fun. So I've played this game before, I've learned a bit about it, so without further ado though, let's get right into it. Let's make a new game. Let's add this guy. Let's just add whatever one we want. Let's add this. Okay, let's start. Gonna take some time to start. Taking some time. Usually it doesn't take this long. So hopefully the resolution isn't that bad, because I do have it a bit laggy. So let's read this. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix the Boo begins her first day as a slime rancher. So yeah, our name is Beatrix, and we are in some random weird ass planet, and we have to, and we're a slime rancher. We have these pink slimes, for example, that I'm not really planning to get, but why not? Can jump here. Now we can suck this. Let's just get rid of the tutorial already. And let's start off already. So we're gonna go to the range now and look for some tabby slimes straight away, because those ones are far better than these pink slimes, from how I remember the game. This is just a fresh start, which for me it's nice. But let's get some chickens, because tabby slimes are carnivore, no? Yeah, they are carnivore. I mean, what do you expect from tabby slime? It's a cat. Cats are carnivores. So let's straight up look for these. There you go. Tabby slimes. Their plorts are so much better. And yes, plorts are these things that you shoot into this market thing, that you get money for that, which is nice. Because I mean, it's easy money. You get these chick-hut-moose things. It can give us already a fresh start to get even more chickens. Oh, look. This is called the Largo. It shoots, like once you feed it, it's gonna eat. It's gonna give you both plorts of what it ate and even what the original slime was. So that's already something you gotta learn. This is a pretty simple game, but it's pretty fun. So apparently it's not laggy for me now. At least not anymore. My other file is really laggy, but here it's not. That's great. Not as laggy, at least. Let's get immediately to putting these tabby slimes in their little cage thing. And wait, can we get the higher walls or not? Nope, we can't. We need some more chickens. So why not start making a chicken coop right here? Yeah, this is where I plan to make the chicken coop. Chicken coop is, guessed it, where you have chickens. Put two hen hens, chickadoos, whatever you want to call them. So here we have our slimes. Yes, I vacked a slime. Bit of a weird name to say, vacked a slime. So now we don't really have much. So why not try and get some money out of these 3 carrots and feeding into this 1 pink slime? I just found randomly. Eat your carrot, please. Yes. Eat the carrot. Yay. Oh, you eat another carrot. Eat more carrots. He said, I want you to eat the carrots. Okay, never mind. This guy doesn't want to eat anymore. So we have a pink plort. Let's see how good it is. How much money we get. 13 money. It's a lot. Yeah, we don't have many slimes yet. Those are the 4 basic slimes that you find in the beginning of the game. You find them wherever. Then we're gonna try and get to the other parts of the game. The more interesting parts. The parts that, oh god. Oh no. Yeah. Pretty bouncy, I guess. Yeah, to get our Tabby slime out of the way. I really don't like existing. Hey, Tabby slimes. Calm down. Back in your cage. Yeah, I get it. I backed a slime. Okay, well, let's just I guess take a hen. It's a Tabby slime. Boom. There we go. This is a Tabby plort. Better than the regular pink plorts. But still gets us some good money. Especially for the fact that we just started. So it's a lot of money for us. So I'm actually gonna bring these guys with me until I get the higher walls. These guys, they're a bit too bouncy for my sense. So since they're really bouncy, I need higher walls. Let's, in the meantime, try to look for some rock slimes. So we can, after, mix the rock slime forms with our Tabby slimes. So, let's get our few rock slimes that we will find once we get over back from here. We can get another chick. We want them. They get us easy money. We have no space on our vacuum thing, so we only have 20 maximum. So let's take as many rock slimes as possible we can find. And even carrots. Because we want to make a garden. We want easy carrots. Because when we want to... Oh look, here. This is where you get the map. It's a lot of map. See that guy over there? That's a Gordo slime. Very big slime. And it eats everything. Literally anything. So we want to find our way to... Oh, okay. I guess we don't need to find it. It's just right here. So let's go to this Gordo slime and hopefully we can feed it enough bursts. I want it to pop. To go kaboom. Eat. And here's some extra fruit. Eat more. And we need to find more food. It needs to eat even. So we need to find more food to feed it more because it wants to eat more. Because these things need a lot of food. Specifically, after a tiny bit of research, they eat 50 of whatever food it's supposed to eat. Big slimes eat everything. So whatever we like. And then we're good. That's a Largo rocks, pink rock slime. Oh look, come here. Yay. I have 8 Tabby slimes for now. Oh. Okay. Let's just go and feed this Gordo. Once we feed the Gordo, we're gonna open our first place and then we'll go on the day. Wow. Look at all that pink slime. And since I don't want to make this too boring by just going to the closest place, I'm gonna go to the furthest place we're gonna go to. That's our little slime key. An ancient key for an ancient lock. Now regularly you could go inside this cave that I'll show you right now. And there you go. You already got into your new place. This is in here. But we want to go to the more interesting place where there's a lot more stuff, and eventually we can get to this place that can get us practically the best place in the entire game. But let's go to that place first. Just walk happily. Now, here, just meat. There's a lot of meat. We want to take, you know why we want to take all this meat? Because of this meat, we can pop this new big slime, whatever, what you should call it, Gordo slime. This Gordo slime is known as the Tabby Gordo slime. And here he is. There. It eats 50 hens, which is a lot. So let's get in here. This place normally would have some really angry slimes that would try to kill me, named feral slimes. I mean, it makes sense. But it's not nighttime, so we don't have to worry about them. They only arrive at nighttime, because they're a nighttime slime that if they're in the daytime, they just die. They die. I don't die. So, with our slime key, let's get right into it. Boost. Here we go. And I'll, as soon as possible, try to make a new video solely on this moss blanket place. This new place that we just entered. So, I will see you guys next time. And have a nice day. We'll see you guys, well, next video. Bye. Have an amazing